This is the soap and hydrogen peroxide, and this is my yeast and water concentration. And it's not going to go fast because yeast is not very reactive, but if you were to use sodium iodide or potassium iodide or any one of the alkali metals, which is the first column on the periodic table, any one of those with any other halogen or negative charge element, it would do the trick pretty much. So here we go. And you can see it's foaming. It's not going too fast, but if I were to increase the concentration of hydrogen peroxide, or if I were to increase the catalyst, aka the yeast or whatever it is, it would go 10 times faster and the pressure would be 10 times greater and it would just shoot up. But as you can see, it's foaming. If I were to put food coloring in the soap hydrogen peroxide concentration solution, it would be a different color. It's supposed to be flammable. I'm going to test that out in a second. Maybe it's only flammable with the potassium iodide, but that's pretty much it. Also, it's supposed to be really hot. I did see some heat come off the first time I tried this, but for the most part, it will burn you. That is, if you use potassium iodide, it will burn you. Or if you have a very high concentration of hydrogen peroxide, it will burn you. So basically, once you do it, you run away, wait for a couple of seconds, then you can go over and touch it. So I'm going to. Alright, it's not burning. So I'm just gonna pour it out right there. And it seems like most of it came out. And the reason it's supposed to be flammable, wow, there's still a lot in there. The reason it's supposed to be flammable is because there's a bunch of hydrogen bubbles. And I'm gonna light a piece of paper on and take a step back so I don't risk myself. It may not even be flammable, but we're about to see. So give me a second. Alright, as you can see, I've got my setup there, and I'm just going to light one end of it, and take a step back. Alright, here we go. It's almost there. Not so much. No. I suppose you need H2O2. Or, I'm sorry, I'm supposed to need potassium iodide. But it does look weird. You can see a yellow, that's probably from the soap. But it appears to be bubbling more. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright. Deuces.